You're lying in bed. It's 2 a.m. Everyone is asleep. But your brain? Your brain is running a full marathon, replaying that embarrassing thing you said 3 years ago. Worrying about a problem that hasn't even happened yet. Planning every possible version of tomorrow. If this is you, this video is for you. Today we are breaking down every single way to stop overthinking, explained simply. Whether your brain keeps replaying the past, spiraling into the future, or just refuses to switch off, we have got the answers. Let's get into it. Before we get into the ways to stop it, let's understand what overthinking actually is. Because most people think overthinking just means thinking too much. But that is not the full picture. Overthinking is when your brain gets stuck in a loop. You think about something. Then you think about thinking about it. Then you think about what might happen. Then you think about what already happened. And then you go back to the beginning again. Scientists call this rumination. And research shows that people who ruminate constantly have higher levels of anxiety, depression, and stress. Their brains are always on. Here is the key truth. Overthinking feels like problem solving, but it is not. Real problem solving moves forward. Overthinking just spins in circles. It gives you the illusion that you are doing something. Now that you understand the enemy, here is every weapon. Way number 1. Notice when it is happening. Most people who overthink do not even realize they are doing it while it is happening. Awareness is the first weapon. You cannot stop something you cannot see, so here is what you do. You create a trigger word in your brain. The moment you catch yourself replaying something, you say to yourself, I am overthinking right now. Your first daily practice. Every time you catch the loop, name it. Just say, I am overthinking. That is it. That is the whole practice for today. Way number 2, the 5-second rule. This one comes from author Mel Robbins, and it is one of the simplest and most powerful tools to break an overthinking moment. When you count backwards and physically move, you interrupt that pattern. You force your brain to shift its focus. The loop breaks. So when the spiral starts, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Way number 3, schedule your worry time. Instead of fighting your worries all day, you contain them. Pick one time each day, 15 to 20 minutes, as your official worry time. When a worry appears during the day, you say, not now. You are scheduled for 5 p.m. Write the worry down. Your brain will relax because the thought has been acknowledged. Way number 4, the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding method. Overthinking happens when your brain leaves the present moment. This pulls your brain back to right now, using your 5 senses. Look around and name 5 things you can see. 4 you can feel, 3 you can hear, 2 you can smell, and 1 you can taste. This method is used in clinical therapy. It works. Way number 5, the brain dump. The brain dump takes everything out of your head and puts it on paper. And when it is on paper, your brain finally relaxes. It knows the thought is safe. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Write down every single thing on your mind. Do not organize it, just dump. The paper holds the weight, so your brain does not have to. Way number 6, the control circle. Worrying about things outside your control does not change those things. It only damages you. Put all your energy into what is up to you and release the rest. Ask yourself, can I control this? If yes, act. If no, release. Say, this is outside my circle. I release this. This visual exercise trains your brain to stop wasting energy. Way number 7, take action. Any action. Overthinking thrives in stillness. The moment you move, the moment you do something, overthinking loses its grip. Action is the opposite of overthinking. The action does not need to be the perfect solution. Just wash one dish, send one message, write one sentence. One action breaks the loop. You cannot think your way out, but you can act your way out. Way number 8. Box breathing. Box breathing is the fastest way to turn off that stress response. The anxious mind cannot maintain a full panic response while the body is breathing slowly. Try it now. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. Do it 4 times. Notice how your body changes. It fixes the brain first so you can address the problem. You now have every weapon to defeat overthinking. Subscribe so you never miss an explanation. See you in the next video.